Alright, so today I'm going to go over how you can start meme coin trading, what I trade on, and everything I use. So you can do it on your phone with Phantom Wallet, which I have connected to my computer right here. Um, I would recommend just not. Phantom's really slow. It's good if you just want to hold some coins, but with meme coins you're really in and out most of the time. So I would recommend Photon. I use Photon. So um, you can use, a lot of people are using BullX right now. There, search it, and it should be the first thing right here. So when you first click it, this is what you're gonna see. It can be a little overwhelming. You got new pairs. There's the trending page, meme scope, which this is like what people call the trenches if like you really want to start trading, but I lost a lot of money here. Then your orders, where you have your, like your take profits, your stop loss, buy dips and everything. And then your holdings, which shows all your trades, which I'm in a losing streak right now. And then leaderboard, I never really go on there. Really all I use is holdings and orders. And then the other thing I use is deck screener. Deck screener is very user friendly. Super good. Super good. It's where you find new coins. You can see the chart, the volume, everything. It's like Photon, but a bit. You can put more filters to find new coins and stuff. I don't know why that's not. Oh, here we go. All right. So when you load in the deck screener, this is what you're gonna see. Here's what I do. I go to trending past 6 hours. Then I go over here to filters, and then from there, click all platforms, make it Solana, and then trading on Radium. So Solana, Radium, liquidity, make it probably like 7 to 10,000, just because anything less than that is not going to recover, or it's just a rug pull. Market cap minimum, I like to do 65,000, just because it can dip down under 100k, but anything under 65 I find it just hardly ever recovers. And then maximum of like, just put 50 mil, just so don't get those like $1 billion scam coins. Pair age minimum doesn't matter. Maximum, I like 2 to 3 hours, probably do 3. And then volume, you want at least $40,000 coming in the coin in the past day. That should be everything right there. Give you guys a second to look at that. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Oh yeah, and then apply that, and then you want to click right here where it says has profile, and already you can see there's only 25 coins. And if you do the 2 hours, there's going to be a lot less coins, which I just find that in the 2 to 3 hour period is where wave 2 happens, which is what I like to trade. So, and then I like sorting it by volume. So this one has the most volume right now, called Almerica. So basically wave 2 is after the initial, well, this doesn't really matter, but after the initial pump, there's going to be a sell-off, and you don't know if it's going to happen. Some of the coins just go like this, some go like that, and then go up like halfway, like right here, and then that's it. Some of them go like this, and then go to all-time high, and then die, and then some, very few, will go like that, and then have a third wave, which that's very few. Mainly you're trying to get these right here. You're trying to get previous all-time high, and then just another pump. And it's all about taking profit. So, and how I trade, let me just walk you through what I would do. So I would go here, you see they're boosted, liquidity is locked in. That's what that green circle with the lock means. That means liquidity is locked in. Check out their website, make sure they have a website. They have one. iTracks for mouse, pretty cool, I guess. Doesn't really do anything, but it just shows a little bit more effort than coins without the website. Go to their Twitter, see if they have any engagement. See, they have 2,000 followers. That's a really high amount. And then another thing you can do is you could copy their name and then search it by going like that, money sign Almerica, because that's the crypto. And then from here you can see more AI America. You can see more information about the coin. So this guy's saying stay away, 5x for my call on it, 5 bucks plus, blah blah. a lot of the people that just post like, oh, my calls, kind of scammy. So everything looks good, and if you want, you can go check out their Telegram, see if they're doing any marketing. I'm not gonna really do all that right now. Go to the 5-minute 33K volume in the past 5 minutes, so that is definitely not an issue right now. It is a pump fund coin, which is another good thing. Always check if it's pump fund. Then go to holders. Make sure there's no one holding an insane amount. Like this guy, 8.2%. That's really high. Honestly, the highest you probably want, like even 5%. Someone holding 5% of a coin this size is insane. Like if this dude sold his $1 million right now, this shit is just dropping, bro. And the issue with that is, I don't know why he didn't sell up there. But basically, you know, like look at the chart. So we're seeing what? I mean, if you have $1 million, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. It's like an hour to 2 hours. If you have $1 million, right? Think of it from his perspective. If you have $1 million up here, he had like what, 2, 3 million. So you have two. What the fuck? You have 2 or 3 million up here, right? And then for the past hour and a half, all you see is it going down. You know, I feel like in my eyes, it's only a matter of time before this dude's like, fuck, bro, I got a lot of money. I should just play it safe and sell. And when he does that, this is gonna just freaking drop, bro. Like, so like, you know, if it was a smaller coin and someone has 8%, it's not too big of a deal, but that's a big amount. See, if this guy wasn't in the equation and it was just this would be perfect. By the way, this is a liquidity pool, so that's basically just the liquidity pool. But yeah, and then I know this coin I'm not gonna get into or anything because of that holder, but then you can copy the address, and then on Telegram there's a bot. I don't have my freaking OBS set to my damn. Can I do? Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. All right, so real quick, here's Telegram. So what I do is I go to Soul Scanner. I think this one. Yeah, this one, Soul Scanner. Hold up. Let me go like this. How do I find the name? Here's the name on the right side. If you want to search him up and add him. This is like such a good bot. Very, very good. So as you can see, just searching tons and tons of coins all night, all day. Basically, you copy the address and then you just paste it into here. And then it'll tell you anything wrong. See, high holder, high deployer token holding. So those are the only two things wrongs with it, but a high holder could be very, very bad. Really, I try to get in coins with 0 red flags, except if there's abnormal volume, I guess I can ignore that one just because, well, you know, it's like the volume's really good. Some of the times it could be a rug pull, but if you know what rug pull charts look like, you can kind of tell if it's going to be one or not. But now let's say I did all that and this coin's looking good. Copy the address, go over to Photon. And you want to paste it in here, and it's going to be the first one. And then from there, this is what you'll see. So I have my chart set to a 15-second chart just because meme coins, like, you just want to see every little move, all the little trends, everything matters on such a small time frame just because the coin's life is only going to be what normally, like, not even a day most of the time. But, it's kind of similar to Deck Screener, Oh, also, check the bubble map. These bubble maps don't always work, but if there's a ton of wallets that are linked together, that's not good. And also, you can see that's the big holder, definitely stay away. Holders, though, 5,800, that's a ton of holders. Past 5 minutes, 60,000. The volume has doubled in the past 5 minutes, which is really, really good. But that holder is just scaring me away. So here's where you would buy. So you could do quick buy, choose your amount in Sol, and then you can just click buy. And then if you want, you go to advanced settings, do slippage and everything. Some people recommend higher slippage just so you get insta filled, but when you're doing what I like doing and buying the dip, if market cap, I like to do market cap is, and then I'll be like, all right, so the dip would be 12 mil. So 12 million market cap expires in 2 hours, because if it really takes 2 hours to get there, you know, I'm not really interested anymore. Slippage 5% fast. I know I should do secure, but I'm just trying to make sure I get in. Priority fee, I do 2 and 2. Anything higher or lower, and it doesn't matter too much. And then, oh yeah, down here you could also see top 10 holders and everything. You know, orders, your holdings, top tradings, everything. But yeah, that's how you buy. And then, what do you call it? So once you buy, you're gonna want to set a stop loss. So, you know what? We're gonna try to find a coin right now, just so you guys can get like a better understanding and you know, really see how I do this. So what I do, I go to this. I am gonna change this actually. I do prefer 2 hours just so you could get before the second move, and then make sure you always click has profile. So from here, yeah, see there's normally like 10 to 15 coins, sometimes 8. So from here, sort by volume, see, and then open link in new tab, open link in new tab. I like opening all these in new tabs. I'll do all of them most of the time, but just to be quick, I'll do this. All right, so we have BAT. So up here you see there's no profile. This is where this website comes in handy. It's called Dex Check XYZ, I think. Yeah. Dex Check XYZ. So there's no profile, which means it's showing up as unpaid. And then if you paste it, it's a big coin, so I'm assuming it's paid. Yeah, it is paid. So that could be a really good sign where once that does get paid, there could be a little boost, you know. Liquidity is locked in and everything. Blah blah blah. Past 5 minutes 70k. All right, so volume's not an issue. Holders C5 4. That's an issue for me. I'm just gonna get out. It's all about playing the odds and making your probability the highest you can make it, you know. So this one's really brand new. I just saw this on Photon, matter of fact, on Memescope. Really brand new, so I'm not gonna be doing that one. I really want this one's too new as well. I prefer the ones that this one has good volume and everything. I prefer the ones that are a little bit older and have already had a pump. So what the hell just happened? Alright, so we're gonna go to open link in new tab, new tab, new tab, new tab. Boom. Hawk sued. That's a good play on a narrative. Alright, so we got TikTok's favorite emoji. This chart's really weird. Not like the classic, you know, freaking boom, 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 boom. This is really weird chart, so already I'm just going to stay away from that because reading that's going to be hard and you just don't know. Alright, now this one, you see they're buy botting it to make the volume and the buyers just skyrocket, which that's a good sign that they're trying to just pump it and then rug pull it. But they are running ads, they're boosted, they're top trending. Check out their Twitter. So they are posting a lot. They just got top 28. That's cool. So it looks like they are putting in some effort. That's always a good sign. Let's see their website. I don't know what it is with unicorns lately. There's been a lot of unicorn and fart coins, which is, I don't know. Really basic website. Yeah, like I said, this is really just not surprising at all. A lot of these rugs, or I don't want to call them rugs, but they'll go like that, and then they'll drop either like that and then die, or some of them drop like this, like halfway, and then continue up. It's really all weird. Little tip, you could do minimum to 0.02. Apply that. That way you don't have to see all those bot buys. You can see what's actually going on. Let's see who just sold. So, really nothing crazy. I don't know. We got a 6.7K, but it was 2 minutes ago. Yeah, I don't know, man. But yeah, that could be a potential buy-in. Kind of a risky buy, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna stay away from that one. This one looks dead. Alright, so we got Rismet. No. Already dead. These charts are really weird right now. I apologize. Alright, so this is one that potentially you could get into. So I like using the fib retracement as well, just to see. Boom. Boom. So when you're doing this, good tip is a really common area I see is when they're in here, most of the time they'll die, but if they do get revived, they really pump. This is a really good section, the 0.786. I really find that that's where they go, and then they pump. That's where they dip to, and then these two right here, that's could be like where you start buying in, I guess. But and then if you reverse it like this, hold up. If you reverse it and go like that, it will normally pump to, again, 0.786 to light blue range. But yeah, this could potentially be a good coin. Elon Musk tweeted it apparently. I just saw in that picture. Oh no, that's okay. I thought that said Elon Musk for some. Oh wait, what is the strange gesture he was making? Pull my finger. And that's the thing. When Elon Musk tweets something, it seems to always just be an absolute runner. So that could be very bullish. It's not a page, it's a community on Twitter. Could check out their Telegram. I'm not gonna though. 5 minutes, only $4,000 worth of volume. If you go to like a higher time frame and then zoom in and get the peak out of the way, kind of see what's volume doing. The sell volume's dying off. All the volume's dying off. So this one's really not doing it for me. So we're gonna get out of that. All right, here we go. So this one is meme of the year. So immediately I like to go like this, boom, and then kind of just mark out where like the range in which I might look to buy into, which you can see it already got touched right here. So, you know, that could have been a potential buy, but we're really looking for a deeper pullback, you know. So this could be going like this into here and then boom. And I notice when they do dip, they don't really go boom boom. They seem to go like this, and then they gradually start picking up volume and then really like that. So this one could possibly keep an eye on. Then we have Hawk Sood. Really new chart, you know. Once we get to 500K, the psychological amounts where a lot of people are probably going to be taking profit. This is where we could potentially see a pullback, you know, and then from there, another level would be like, you know, you got like 300, 200, 100, and then you can use the fib, whatever it's called. You could use that. Let's say it does hit 500K. A lot of the coins lately have been doing like 68%. So that would be around 200K. So if you wanted to, just because I know it's not going to go through right now, I'll show you. So if I wanted to, I could take this into Photon, paste it there, right? And then from there, what did we say? We said, here, we said around 170. So just because you're never going to get these things perfect and it's not like one level, it's a range, I would say you could set it to 200, you know, nice little area. So we could do buy the dip if market cap is, and then we could do less than, so we'll just set it at 201,000 because it's less than. Amount to buy, we'll just put 0.1. Expires in, we'll just say 2 hours. That way, if for whatever reason we get caught up, busy or something, we walk away. We don't have to worry about it dying. We buy in while it's dying, like way later on. 5%, 0.02, 0.02. Top 10 holders is the issue. We didn't check that out. This is the liquidity pool right here. 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. It's a good, it's pretty high. It's getting there, but it's not something where you really, really, really have to worry about. But yeah, you could do that. You could do buy the dip, and then you create order, and then you come up here, and then you see it's gonna have buy the dip. If it's not showing up, you probably have hide order lines on, which then you can just show. And then if this order were to get filled right now, I could show you guys, but I'll just start showing you guys anyways. It is dropping a lot right now. Who knows? Maybe this is like a good play right here. If it were to drop, another good thing you could do is look for a double bottom, which is basically where the chart finds a floor, where it goes like this, starts coming up, goes down, and then hits that exact level again, and then goes up and breaks structure. That's a good sign it's about to go up. But basically, so let's say my order got filled. You're gonna go to sell, auto sell. First thing you want to do is create a stop loss. See what I mean? Like this, it didn't get touched yet. It went to 234. It could rip right now, or it could start coming down again. You never know. You're never gonna get the levels perfect. So don't worry about if you miss out on one coin. I've missed out on plenty of coins. There's thousands of other coins to trade. Be patient. Let the trade come to you. Don't go to the trade. So stop loss market cap is, I would, let's see. So we found this kind of support level right here at 169. So I would probably set it to around 170, 168. So that's a 40% loss. So already that's like a little high for me. So if you want, you could put your buy order down here more, or you could just leave it there, hope it's going to do that, and then be like, all right, well, if I lose 15% of my position, I'm just going to do that. Sell amount 100%. Expires in, doesn't really matter when your stop loss hits. But yeah, and then you'd fill that, and basically there would be another line wherever you put that, and it's tan. No, that's not tan, but it'd be tan, and it'd be right under there. And then after you do that, and you secure your, what do you call it, stop loss, then I do take profit. So to do take profit, here, let me come up here. So for take profits, I like to look for previous levels of highs, support, resistance, and then psychological marks. So as we can see, this kind of got around the 400. Well, it spiked up to 500 and then came down kind of. So we'll say 500. So you could set a take profit. A lot of people are going to be doing 500. So what I would recommend is setting the take profit a little lower at like maybe 476, 450, 450K, right? But then you also want to be taking profits along the way. So I would say, let's see. So there's some resistance at this level over here. So potentially you could do 300K. Let's see. This is previous all-time highs, around 370. I would recommend just doing 400. And also this play isn't too good. This dip isn't really like anything crazy. And the other thing is, if it were to get hit and it goes up to 400, that's only a 2x, which that's really good. But when you're doing this like high risk, you really want high reward. So I'm really looking for like more than 2x, honestly. But if it does get hit, that's great. Just do previous all-time highs. Okay, so this is gonna get hit, so I'm gonna try to actually get out of it if I could escape. Or you know what, we'll let it play. Kind of don't want to let it play though. So we're gonna actually go check it out real quick. We're gonna try to quickly see what this coin's about and see if I do want to stay in. Only 92 members. She's getting sued, I guess. Good play on narrative. Came out 30 minutes. Okay, it came out within an hour ago, which I guess that's good. Brand new. Talk to blah 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 blah. What is it, on TMZ? Alright. So volume's really good. Actually, I might stay in the corner, I'm not gonna lie. Volume's really good. Everything's really good. Holders. These guys are a little high, but it's nothing too crazy. It is still a low market cap coin. Yeah, I think we're actually gonna keep this position. But yeah, and then another thing you could do is if the coin were to, you know, kind of come down to your buy, and then it starts ripping up, you know, like it could go like this, boom, boom. Or if it were to just like go down, up, and then create a higher low and then start going up, you could always just place a quick order, which you go to buy and then buy now and just buy in. But I try not to do that. I try not to do that, you know, let the trade come to you, be patient. But yeah, that's basically how I trade. That's everything I use. Telegram, the Soulbot, Dex Screener, Photon, Dex Check, XYZ. Then on mobile, there's a couple apps you can get if you just want to track coins. Get Dex Screener on your phone, Phantom, you know, the basic apps like Coinbase, stuff like that. That's good to have. CoinGecko is a good one. Make sure you have Twitter. A lot of like Twitter's really where the crypto's at. Pump Fun if you want. But yeah, for this strategy, all you need is the Dex Check, Telegram, Dex Screener, and Photon. Basically, you're gonna buy Solana on Coinbase, by the way, and then import it into your wallet by copying the address. Go to Coinbase. Once you buy the Solana, there's a button for send. Click send, and then from there you can just paste your address in and send whatever amount you want, and you can start trading. But yeah, that's basically the tutorial on what I do, kinda, and I guess I kind of gave you some of my strategy. Got off topic, my bad. But yeah, that's what I do. That's all you need to start trading. And my best advice for you to start is to really just get into it. I think I try to compare everything to the gym. Consistency and just messing around with what works for you is the best way to get into it. I mean, yeah, watch YouTube videos on basic terms, trends in the market, like current news and everything. But really, the best thing you can do in my eyes is just get in there and get your hands dirty and get experience. That's the best thing you can do. All right, let me know in the comments what videos you guys want to see next. If not, I'll just do more live trading, documenting my crypto journey and trading journey. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.